Ghana bia na yesa koyechi. They say bonsam tam na osma Adam eba ha osma Delilah all kono. E no dey this for sure my name. Or the end is the Esha Delilah and a Eve and name mine. The end is for there. Omo ya bonsam for ye wicked titri the smiling mafia aka Gonja. She wow crumbly bamboy. Ba me ne ko siesie o ma ho. Enipa ne mpo na numusuo. Wo hu akufo do kro.
I was a woman about the bad Ghana and CMTV so. But money so like video no be subscribe to the channel no attend on notification that next time videos of this channel also submit to my say munyam no de bia no. If me Mr. President to for Mr. President and just somehow sa wadaroma. Na but money so like video no subscribe to the channel. Come on my for you by chance you would want to contribute to our studio work, sir, being it sound, internet, lights, everything, but you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So now was
Can say Singapore, I say Dubai. But
this baby, you can say come bedi your mind so crap pobium.
And this baby Ghana bia na yesa koyechi. They say bonsam tam na osma Adam eba ha osma Delilah all kono. E no dey this for sure my name. Or the end is the Esha Delilah and a Eve and name mine. The end is for there. Omo ya bonsam for ye wicked titri the smiling mafia aka Gonja. She wow crumbly bamboy. Ba me ne ko siesie o ma ho. Enipa ne mpo na numusuo. Wo hu akufo do krom ana. Wo hu
Sam John is
Sam
John is as a tennis ball, Sam John.
Why is the multi akwadunu? She kufa do krom. She kufa ni consensus office. She ba o me krom eyefe is yanko bole ba but me say mpo ne nipa na numusuo wo. Na ekoka na nyama bi sem passing nyama to say amakwa hini be ka kire say apete asokwa internet yam is hey de ku for the ban ye dey no your bone amakwa hini ukrom mampo asotef na adu na yam awo ukrom nye ade baba bia e mampo e na adu na ye then end say yam asokorem yam mampo for one kasa na why mampo for fees obedi so what I find say one kasa ma yes open sports what to JC ba kwa mampo cause o mo jira oboda papa fuck you
and the na F word
ya dey bufu ye hi atantade nkwa na e oye diva we kwen my top price 500 aden me I am trade na ka say me be afunu gua man so me free 24 hours on my say
and then also AC what's of fine what's of fridge what's of so BBS susu na weja ho
na the means me don't be to prepare the week be 200 me so AC 24 hours and what the then exercise and then e buy share Mr. Chrono say tiana mum education Ghana o Chrono say so bua mo ye dey say na no ba me bie ni almost say education is the key to success into ye beko
yo na rapport
ye beko ebusian for me wrap it up no say that go sin say ati asese Mahama there or the Ghana at flight mode cause I be disable for kwa usu mfimo papa timia de papa timia de na Mahama be wuri ne ebie enkata ebebie na me hia Mahama wa evia menti aseda cause disable mpo one spell na ye na chetia so ye nsan wo ho wait na hyasie mpo ni na na wie ye
Mahama odiyeka Mahama odiyeka
na onim say Mustafa Bandeka so mo crampo na mo nan eye mienu hu ka me say the ebia e just a caption or say omo nan ye mienu crampo no ye form adwuma nwie ya na mo asabi mo ye visual
me diva ente mo
waka Mr. Hunter from Kwana Baba
Mahama won
Sound kwasi ate wo ye ka kire nipa.
Kaka.
AJ raka.
Me see, some who disabled for ente so mo leap for so pie. Embu afọ mo kwa fo mo so pie.
Disabled for some mo ye campaign ya.
Wọ́n sọ yàmi na tia wọ́n ka, wọ́n yàmi na tia wọ́n ka.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time you are watching this video again. Still on the Nigo Pram District development, I want to project to the people of Ghana, especially to my leadership in the Nigo Pram District. This is the Nigo Secondary School. Nigo Secondary School, this is the road that is leading to the secondary school. The entrance is just here. The entrance. Now, look at this is the signboard. That there is a secondary school over here. Honorable Sam George. Neneme. Never done with Popano. Neji Nigo Pram on. Ingala Madame can hear. Nekla Wanganya Ghana na sister 9 years. Lonening Lama Bika was sister 9 years ne wana wanugo papa yone. What is showing that we are part of the Republic of Ghana or we get the independence certificate Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is talking about. Look at this. And this is the road that is leading to the school. Okay? The school entrance is just here. The entrance of the school is just here. This has nothing to do with NDC or it has something to do with NPP. I am doing this thing to tell the people of my district, Nigo Pram, Kabesu, Kanewi, Machame, police, nurses, doctors, lawyers, Ninga Popano yo, what they see, no what they make us your why Yano Yam, no Wamanom. Eja kamini yo na fo wonge ne hiyo no waje ne sakawa mano ho mane enyene ya no Honorable Sam George oya in parliament for jehenyi meje no se nugo pram wo benwa ma engaje no ne nugo one ti nugo great nugo benema mio engaje no ne chapi NDC sane chapi NPP sane se benepene nugo popa ye ho chake mkom neba Africa must unite. Ghana, my Nigo district must develop. The time is always now.
Lewu asembio wadwen ye ose me besre ni wanso me sre oskada me NDC ni bia di ko amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada. Nobody me can come out and say chairman frame me na ose ohia boa ohia ska. Nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again, me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor achemadieda, which of course achemadieda e onu akasa na komemu e na odi chair me mansre no menya sesrefo enti ye frem mu na se mo mfa e mamadwe nya mu se ye frem mu se ye hia bibi o fefe na efe se me no ntembe kama fefe na efe se ye na ye adwumaden enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time eye adwumade bu a NDC and esa youth no e dia de na omonsa aka. What have they gotten? Nothing. I can't promise any NDC member say member me campaign and I say me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of musubai. With musabu what thing, with trim what thing. Why you say chin say barre? Mo de credo atu panti mo. No problem. Me an also boxer credo kotokuro pa de dem. Mo de montina se na mutrim nya den. Na mo no matamfo. Na omo a edo NDC monto ye ntwene o hine mabba mo bani na anu ya ba ye video ka say ye fremo kra mo fa biem nurudi na bas mo nyina na ye ne mo a na ekọ na eba o ene hu ko kra ofa wadwe ne se me fro se me hia ka ana se me fro se me hia dan ana se me fro se me ministerial bibia na mo bodam say kan biem ne saka se kwasi aba wait na Ghana ha ye campaign tia mo na se ne matimi sponsor ne se onko UK nko kire kwasi asem dia. And Ghana for say the easiest way to win the love of NDC is to be against them, insult them, and campaign against them. When they get power, they will come and help you, the one who campaigned against against them, yeah, whilst neglecting those who campaigned in favor of the NDC. Usubain, tried and tested. We know how you people operate and do your things. Boys snake say your friend more among funny. There say be a boys no here BBO. Of course, more and care or more. Now so fefe na efe say obi e campaign ma NDC ne isa nipa betimi atwe phone afre wo hanabisiu afre NDC mu mpanimfo bi na magye ne so etise kakakra o we de beti won ka che etise kra kakakra efe etise kakakra mpo no efe ye new ambassador waba Nairobi hasi or former Western regional minister Mr. Edu Oba ya me kwachia no na ni agi say to me frame me etise de na ekoso odwuma no say na si kwani efe me nka sebi uluman emfa me nkwa agbochi na say wonya behwe but say ne ye so ya na say ne ye ani paka ne ho ben wo appreciating the fact say who you be a wo ye adwuma bo ani party say ko kekekura efe no na ni papa o amodi agi eni atrimodin neglect atrimodin ya na dem bia me kase Ghana ha ye ka omu atrimodin pa aibefo ene ntafo omtrimodin brutal omuso na edoso wo NDC ene me ka ni pain ewes awunafo eni atrimodin cho awunani be say awunafo be enum timi kopia brochire ya mu abusuani ba kompo the same thing applies to northerners ye tribu den yenimu de che onche usika the same thing applies to ewes now so you say sa ompe otwe kura asemu a uyini mrika yam pass and the four asem kura asandefo eba giving asandefo trimu nya de omsem omre asantini ba akotumi kopie yayi abrochire US London within 10 years na nebusuafo be ensia enso ase so mu nyina akọ ewani onye obesa kura to oduru kura sa eku not the na penny onye omutrimu osum omutrimu odin. That is why where they are is like that because the one crab bunya ska ye nkwe kromu nkosiesie ho da omu nyina egu akra ye sorry a na asandefo ho nsem na ye ka mi hu ano asandefo sikafo nyina even if you see them in Accra almost die okumase almost die we yekurom angunafo ntesa not nesentesa enemonne omusu na edoso NDC mu omutrimu odin. I'm telling you people me say the American me say Ghana fo a epe no kwani mpanifo nyina nim asantini ba akokopia gbochire na busuafo nyina enyo nyina ade. I'm talking in terms of so yi asade for 20 a emu 15 kopia gbochire na busuafo nyina obeya manasa obia ewes oboa your partner so be fi na too
ya yo ebebom kaboom ebebom. You people think God is going to watch you to destroy innocent souls' life, destroy the lives of innocent kids who don't have no helper. Because of your Range Rover, sorry, you guys are going to pay for it, Papa. You think it's a joke? Hey, Mami Tio last time, I'm free.
Nyam Ghana, you know, Lubuden. Nya national development in Temi Budano. We must be bold so that Obirija, when that politics, they are reward and punishment. So once I can reward now, you can get the punishment.
No, say Marcus.
Magda, Daniel, and the Nema Guabonte. Magda, the Nema Guabonte Gunsio.
MPP fast. Yes. When Jano Yagani, Magdano
Magda, Daniel, and Nema Guabonte.
Vida homie.
Yeah, you didn't never Guabonte.
Magdano Vida homie. Next time you got to a bar. NDC on him, don't mind me, Muntum Kada Bibi down, but all your mistake no question down be.
And I'm no Cassay, me no Cassas here, Casua on Mendra. A police a coach where you ubikunu, dear Sema. Asuma Negirison got to prepaid or to prepaid no 200 Ghana cedis in the 3 days. What Bonnie Union Suman and Yahono and Romocofano. President Mahama first one or buy a part 1. Ugua warrior be true doom so. Part 2, Sisi Osansu gu aware through aviator, electricity prepaid aviator, wakofadi ababetu yeso.
Na President Mahama oba wakra meter million.
Na on meter man akufo at the time na say you electricity wa hanum. Sana ni eto prepaid ukroma. Wonko oba ensema okan wo ka kire say obe man cheap electricity. Oba ya wo de akọ 28 %. Water and then kwofo nchichire ice block. And so I see so moya vortic ewo mu fie. Aden. Pin koso o man ko nkofo brown ebre kyerɛ sɛ dum so asanso unity ɛnɛ me no ka sɛ adenta kyerɛ hɔ no nkofo the light da dum so mu 24 hours yɛn so am light. What is happening in this country? ɛna ne yɛ kasa mo so me yɛ ka aso obi asoro papa no wɔ kurom ha obi asoro President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani ni bi sɛ wasɛm President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani